Tonight, a story about a split-second decision that saved a life. When we usually talk about self-driving cars, it's after something goes wrong. A glitch, a failure, an accident. This story is different. On a lonely stretch of Highway 54 in New Mexico, Clifford Lee says he's alive tonight, not because of his own reflexes, but because of his Cybertruck, in full self-driving mode, made the decision for him. Check this out. Keep your eyes on the headlights in the distance. In about 10 seconds, you will see a life or death decision that will take your breath away.
Then it hit me that I almost got killed, actually. I was shaking uncontrollably for a while.
Clifford Lee was heading northbound on a long road trip through New Mexico on Highway 54, using Tesla's full self-driving mode, or FSD.
It is a two-lane highway.
A massive big rig was heading his way. Behind it, the driver of a pickup truck, growing impatient. All Clifford saw were headlights.
I think it was like a 5-second out. And around the 3-second, I realized he would not make it. He doesn't look like he was making any progress in front of the semi. And I couldn't tell exactly whether he was already beyond the center line or not, but he was getting so close. I'm traveling 75 at the time. I tried to jerk it and already car was moving.
There was no room for error. An overcorrection would have bounced Clifford's Cybertruck off the guardrail.
And I tried to turn around and FSD must be kicked in. Quite frankly, I don't remember what I did and when I did what.
Here it is, slowed down and multiple angles. He says FSD surgically maneuvered the Cybertruck out of a potentially deadly head-on collision and saved his life.
I'm so convinced it is FSD.
This was the only casualty.
And you can kind of see only damage is side window busted and the mirror.
There's cameras in the door pillar right here. There's a camera in that fender right there.
Tesla's full self-driving system relies primarily on cameras, with data from millions of miles used to train its neural networks.
I use it every day. I feel so much safer with FSD.
Cybertruck owner Aaron George showed me how it works.
Let's see, Mount Bunnell, there we go.
We started off at the CBS Austin studios and set a course for Mount Bunnell, knowing there would be some challenging spots for navigation.
Start self-driving.
It was a little tricky trying to get out of the parking lot, but FSD figured it out. But our first big test, turning onto the 183 frontage road. There are only a few small windows of opportunity to merge into the road safely. Wow. That was a busy intersection.
It was, yes. A lot of cars merging from that off-ramp.
At the stoplight, Aaron showed off how the system tracks every vehicle at the intersection.
It's absolutely insane. So yes, you can see trucks, pickup trucks, vans behind you.
From busy highway entrance ramps and construction zones, Tesla's FSD safely maneuvered through it all. The system even shows people walking in or around the roadway. As we continued to Mount Bunnell, we started driving through narrow neighborhood streets and avoided trash cans in the road. As we approached our destination, we stopped at a blind intersection.
So it's pretty blinded over there. I'm not able to see a lot of the cars that are coming. So as you can see, it inched up, saw that there's no cars, and made that turn.
Then FSD found an open parking spot and backed in. Through the entire trip, Aaron never touched the wheel.
It's so amazing. I mean, every iteration is it's mind-blowing.
For a lot of drivers, full self-driving mode is about convenience. But now, for people like Clifford Lee, it's about something else entirely. Without it, Clifford doesn't think he'd be here today to talk about this near miss.
And it's just amazing. It's just amazing. I realized that this is my second life already. There's no chance that I will survive full impact, 150 mile per hour impact.